Hello guys, so this is another drawing of a ballerina. She was in a leotard this time and pulling another fabulous pose. So I will get on with it. Good speed and good structure, layout and proportion for, thankfully, for all three. I do feel like the chest areas are a little bit flat. I don't know whether it's because ballerinas and dancers in that kind of genre are very, very lean and very muscular, so they don't obviously have big boobs basically. Or that's just an assumption. If I'm wrong, I apologise. So so for number one and number two, I utilised good speed, good structure and good layout for all three. As I said, geometric and observational methods were used. The only things that I did run out of time on was the hands, but again, these are sketches for the first step to create more complex and finished paintings or drawings or charcoal, that kind of thing. Again, I'm really happy, especially around this area. I feel like I'm getting the proportions, the structure, everything's coming together now. Let me know what you guys think and what you would improve, what you would basically pinpoint any aspects that I am overlooking. Again, these are just sketches to get the initial drawing down so that you can then go back to create the end pieces so that you've got a good layout and good proportions are already set. But yeah, if you want me to explain further what good speed, geometric, Loomis, observational methods, anything like that, let me know and I will either do it, reply in the comments section or create a completely new and different and separate video telling you what all those methods and techniques are. As always, you guys are awesome. Bye bye.